This is VetMike with a new video about getting started with the VeChain Sync2 wallet. Take a seat, watch and learn. A link to the download page is in the description. Sync2 is available for Windows, MacOS, Linux and Android. I'm using Android for this guide, but it should work the same for all operating systems. Click on APK and verify that the web page says github.com/vchain. Click Download anyway. Open the file and hit the Install button. This will take a moment or two. Well done. You have installed the app. Now click on Open. Read the disclaimer, accept and hit Continue. Click on Get Started whenever you're ready. Now set up your wallet password. Confirm your password and hit Confirm. Your wallet is now being set up. The important thing is to immediately back up your wallet. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. Never take a screen capture or photo. Then hit Backup now. Read the text before you hit Next. Authenticate with your previously created wallet password. Write down your 12 words in the exact same order. Done. Then hit Verify. At the bottom, select your words in the correct order. Well done. Your wallet is now backed up. Never share these words with anyone. To explore the wallet, hit the menu icon on the left top. Click Settings. Click Tokens if you want to visualize more tokens in your wallet. I'm selecting SHA from Safe Haven, World of V and VC tokens. You see, these tokens are now visible in my wallet. You can also directly add tokens from this view by selecting the Add Token icon. To easily copy your wallet address, click on the QR icon in the top right of the app and hit the Copy button. Renaming your wallet is very easy. Hit the triple dots and select Rename Wallet. Enter a new name and hit OK. Great job! You are now ready to start using your VeChain Sync2 wallet. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to not miss new videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.